So today is the last demo session. Let me revise for a few minutes and we will see today how to execute a Java program and those things and all. Okay. So the title of this course is Core Java. It is a fast track batch. Okay, it is a fast track batch. The duration of this course is 45 days. We are going to finish this course within 45 days. And the timings of this session is not from 6 p.m., sir, from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Every day, the sessions will be there. Monday to Friday. Okay. And the fees for this batch is rupees 5,000. Okay. And the syllabus I already explained. Even in the last class, we completed already data types concept. Already I finished the data types, but introduction part. So we have seen like Java history. What are the various editions available? Java is available in how many editions? There are 3 editions are there for Java. What is the first one? Standard edition. By using this standard edition, we can prepare the applications related to the core Java fundamentals. Then Java Enterprise Edition is there and Java Micro Edition is there. After that, what are the various versions that are existed in Java also we have seen. Sir, now in today's session, I'm going to demonstrate softwares required to run Java application. Sir, if I want to prepare any Java application, what softwares are required? Because this is the very important component, right? So the first software is nothing but we need some editors. Editors in the sense what? Sir, you can take Notepad or you can take Notepad plus plus. So you can take Sublime text. You can take Edit plus, or you can take Autumn editor, or you can take VS Code. These are nothing but editors. Editors means what? So these are nothing but the softwares which are used to type your Java program, And the second thing, we need a command prompt. What is the purpose of this command prompt? To run your Java application, and it is by default existed in all operating systems. Okay, all operating systems. We are not required to install explicitly. It is available in all operating systems. Next, we need to download Java latest version. So you have to download Java latest version. As of now, what is the Java latest version? Java 23. So I'm going to explain how to install this on Monday's class. Coming Monday after Diwali, we are going to see how to install Java latest version. Next, sir, for certain programs, we have to use IDEs also. IDEs in the sense what? You can take either Eclipse or we have IntelliJ IDEA is there, or you can go with NetBeans. Sir, any IDE we can use. So depending on our situation, I'm going to use corresponding IDs. At the very beginning, I'm going to take only Notepad plus plus and then command prompt. Okay, so later after completion of whoops or something like that, I'm going to demonstrate this Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans like that. Maybe for arrays, I'm going to use this IntelliJ IDEA. Like for every topic, I'm going to utilize one concept. So these are nothing but the softwares which are required to run Java application. If you are clear with this, then I will explain what are the different steps are there to execute Java program. Up to this, do you have any queries? Please confirm.
Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, sir, these are very important. Please focus well. So steps to execute Java applications. So what steps we have to follow to execute Java applications? Let us see. What is the first step? Sir, we have to select any proper ID. We have to select any proper editor to write, okay, or for writing Java program. Sir, you have to select any editor for writing the Java program. At the very beginning, I'm going to take Notepad. In our system, Notepad is there, right? I'm going to take that Notepad to type the Java program. Okay, sir, okay, my Notepad is ready. Then what is the next one? So we have to write Java program. We have to write Java program. So as per rules and regulations, so given in Java syntax, whatever rules they have given, based on that, we have to write the Java program. But as of now, we don't know the rules, right? So I know these Java rules. I'm going to write a small program. Sir, we know every Java program is going to start executing from main method. Not only Java, if you take any programming language, the execution always starts from which method? Main method. Now I'm taking system.out.println of, so I'm printing a message saying good evening. That's all. But since Java is giving high importance, high priority for the security, that's why you can't take this void main as it is. You can't take this void main as it is. In front of this, we have to take two more keywords. What are those keywords? The first keyword is nothing but a public. Second keyword is nothing but static. Okay, if any person is asking, so what is Java syntax? What is the Java main method syntax? What is the Java main method syntax? Sir, we need to take public static. So void main string array arguments, like that it will be there. Okay, then sir, everything must be a concept of object. That's why even the main method you have to take inside test class. Anyway, in further classes, I will explain in detail about that. As of now, remember, we have to take a format like this only. Sir, Monday class, I am going to demonstrate in detail about each and every part. Slowly, I will explain. Don't worry at all. Okay. Sir, do you have any questions in this program?
No, sir.
Right.
No.
So, again, I am repeating few words. So, just try to understand. Class, it is related to the object oriented. Test, it is the name of the class. Public static void main, the program execution starts from here. At system.out.println, it is used to print some message on the screen. Within double quotations, whatever message that you are giving, that message is going to be printed as it is on the screen. This is nothing but, as of now, the main method. Sir, now I am going to save this file. What is the third step? Sir, we have to save the Java file in proper location. In proper location. So with extension as .java. Sir, compulsory we have to take extension as a .java. Sir, I'm going to save this file. Remember, what is the class name that we have taken? Test. Better to save the file with this name only. Better to save this file with this name only. Go to file, click on save, select that editor, select that place where you want to store. Sir, in my PC, I'm going to store all these files in local disk C. In local disk C. In local disk C, there is one subfolder with name test. There is one subfolder with name test. I'm going to save my files in this test folder. So what is the file name that we have to give? I'm going to give test.java. Just now I told we have to give test.java. This is my Java program. What is the file name that we have given? Test.java. Sir, can I take any other file name? Yes, no problem. Nothing will happen. But one small modification you need to do. That part also today only we are going to see. Up to this, any queries, guys? Is it clear up to these three steps?
Sir.
What is the fourth step? Sir, we have to open command prompt. We have to open command prompt and move to the location where we saved our file. Sir, in which folder we saved our file? We have to move to that location. Let us take command prompt. Sir, we have to open this command prompt. In which folder I saved? In C drive test folder. So let us come out from all these folders. I am taking CD backslash. You can see I came out from all these folders. Then CD space I am giving test. Now what will happen? We entered into this test folder. We entered into this test folder. We entered into this test folder. Sir, from here, we have to run. Sir, how to run? For that, we have a specific command. What is that command? We have to compile the Java program. We have to compile the Java program by using which command? Javac command. Take Javac command to compile. Sir, how to compile? Javac space. What is the file name that we have given? That file name we need to take. Anyone tell me what is the file name that I have given?
Java.
Test.java.
Test.java.
Test.java. Just hit enter button. That's all. Sir, if it is having any error in your program, if your program is having any error, it is going to display those errors. If it is not having any error, simply it returns to the next prompt. Now what we have to do? You need to execute. How to execute? For that separate command. Sir, we can run or we can execute. We can execute our Java file by using which command? Java command. By using this Java command, we can execute. Sir, let us see Java space test. That's all. Sir, what output we got? Whatever program you have given, as it is coming. As it is coming. Maybe that question mark is not printed here. No problem. So this is the way how to execute a simple Java program. Sir, up to this, do you have any queries? Everyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Supriya, Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the next step that we have to do? So I want to cover some note points. 3 note points I want to cover. What is the first note here is, listen carefully. What is the first note is, Java is case sensitive. Java is case sensitive programming language. Sir, what is mean by case sensitive programming language? Lower case letters and uppercase letters. Lower case letters and uppercase letters. Uppercase letters are different, not the same, not the same. This is very, very important point. Sir, second note. So what is the second note here is, it is recommended. It is recommended to save file name as class name. File name as class name. Class name. So case is important. Case is important. Sir, I saved the file with the file name test.java. While running, sir, what we have to do? We have to take this test and it is going to run. Sir, can I run the program by using test.java in this style? Yes. Is it a valid or invalid? Valid, right? Clear. During execution. During execution, just I am going to take test. Is it valid or invalid? Please confirm.
Test.java.
Yes, of course. For
Yes.
example, while running, I am talking. While running, Java space test.
Space
Valid
test.
or
Yes. Valid.
valid? Valid. Suppose my file name is a small t. Then during execution also what we have to do? Small t only. Got it?
Yes.
Suppose if I am taking capital T here, but I am trying to run small t, what will happen? It is invalid.
Invalid.
Suppose I have taken small t here, but during execution, I am taking capital T. This is also invalid. So case is very, very important. In which case you are taking, the same case only we need to consider during execution. Any questions up to this?
No, sir.
Clear? Everyone, guys, please confirm. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So based on this, I want to cover multiple examples, but before that, one more note point I want to take. What is that note is, sir, how to compile the program? What is the syntax for compilation? Do you remember Java C space? Whatever file name that you have given, that we have to provide. Correct?
Yes, sir.
During execution, what we have to do? Sir, we need to take Java space file name, but I am trying to give class name. So that's why I told file name and class name, it is recommended to make it as a same.
Yeah.
Sir, even if you are not taking file name and class name as a same, what will happen? That part also I will demonstrate. But as of now, what will happen? We are going to see. Sir, clear? Is the syntax is clear? At the time of compilation, file name or class name, which one we have to take?
File
File name. During execution,
class name.
class name. Class name. Remember this is syntax. Sir, is these three note points are clear for everyone? I
Yes,
need
sir.
response from other students also. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Based on this, I want to cover various conclusions. Based on this, I want to cover various conclusions. Let us see what are those conclusions. Okay. Sir, examples. First example, I don't want to take the program every time from the notepad. It is very difficult, right? That's why this editor is there. This editor is called as edit plus editor. What is the advantage of this editor? Directly you can go to file and you can select Java. Directly you can select Java. So just I'm clicking Java. What will happen? Without typing anything, the default skeleton we got. Without typing anything, we got default skeleton. Now, what is the class name that we need to take? I am taking class name as a test and I will save this. So in the same folder, I'm going to save with test.java. Right, sir? Now, let us give hello followed by, okay. So maybe I'm going to print the message saying good morning, something like this I'm printing. Sir, what is the file name that I have given? Test. Okay, I don't want to give test. So I will do one thing. I will save this file as a.java. a.java. So what is the file name that we have given? A. Compulsory class name also must be A. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Now, how to compile this particular program? Anyone tell me in the command prompt how to compile? Yes.
Java
Java C
C space
space.
file name
What is the file name?
test here
A. A.java.
Java.
How to execute? Java
Java
space
space a
A.
dot Java.
A.
Okay,
No,
A.
dot Java is required, only A. So what message we are getting? Good morning. This is nothing but what is output that we are getting for this program. Same example, what will happen if I am giving file name as a different and class name as a different? So I'm taking another new Java program. So what is the file name I'm giving is, sir, triple V. It is a class name. I am printing the message saying, so hello, good evening. Like this, I'm taking good evening, something like this. What is the class name? Triple V. But I'm saving with a triple U dot Java. Okay, otherwise, let us take triple T dot Java. So, what is the file name that we have given in this case? File name is a triple T dot Java, but internally, what is the class name that I have given? My class name
Triple.
is triple V dot, sorry, triple V. Now, we know how to compile this program because we have seen syntaxes just now. Sir, how to compile? Java C, what is the file name?
File name
Triple T dot Java. Suppose if I'm giving like a triple V dot Java, what will happen? Is this physical file is available?
No.
No. Then what will happen? See the error. What is that error we are getting?
File not found.
File not found exception. File not found. So really that file is not existed. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
That's why we got this error. Sir, everyone understood why we got this error message? Please confirm.
Yes.
Now, what is the second one is how to compile. Then Java C. What is the file name? Java I have taken. Sir, is it compiling? Yes.
Yes.
Now how to run? Can I take Java
Java
space T? No. Why? Because
no,
what is the class name?
will be
Triple. If we are trying to take Java space T, what message we are getting? Could not find or load the main class called T. Sir, T class is not there. Then how you can execute? Like that it is telling one error message. Clear up to this, everyone.
yes, sir.
Then how to run? Java space
Java space triple V.
V. Automatically you will get that message. So in this example program, what are the various possible ways are there to compile and to run the program? I demonstrated. Sir, everyone, please open your mouth and speak. Is the concept whatever I explained, is it clear?
Here, sir.
Everyone, please confirm. Clear, friends?
Clear, sir.
Any questions from your end?
This is the Notepad plus plus or Notepad, sir.
This is
Actually,
edit plus. This is edit plus.
I mean,
It is one kind of editor. Okay.
editor. Okay.
I will give the links to download all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So on Monday class, you are going to get the complete links, everything. Okay.
Okay.
Can I go for next program? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the next program? Something like a note type I am going to take. See, I am going to take a program like class test, and I will save this file also as a test.java. Now observe, I am printing the message called hello world. But the problem is, okay, but the problem is I am interchanging first static and then public. Can I take like this?
Actually, no.
Yeah, so we can't take because it is not following the syntax rules, right?
Yeah.
So in object-oriented programming concept, I'm going to explain one topic. What is the topic is this static and public. These two are access modifiers. In Java, these two are nothing but what? Access modifiers. So we can give these access modifiers in any order. It can be static public or public static. Both are correct. Sir, if it is correct, there should not be any error message. Sir, is the program is compiling fine? Yes, sir. Is the program is executing? Yes. Our required result we are getting. So this is nothing but the conclusion. What is that conclusion? We can change the order of static and public, sorry, public and static, public and static. There is no issue. There is no issue at all. That's all, sir. So I think this example program is demonstrating that. Is the first conclusion clear for everyone? Please confirm.
Yes.
Remaining
Yes, sir.
students. Yes, Bhavya, Supriya.
Clear, sir.
Bhavya, is it your first class?
Yes, sir.
Today only you joined, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, guys. So what is the next one is note number 2. Sir, anyway, you changed public and static. Keep it as it is. Can I change this void main to main void? Please confirm.
Oh,
Can I change? Anyone?
no.
No. Because in other languages, not only in Java, even if you take any programming language, what is the syntax that we have for defining the methods or functions? First, we have to take a return type. Am I right, sir? And followed by function or method name we need to take. So what is the first one that we have to take? Return type, and then like this we need to write the code. So the order is mandatory. First we have to take return type and then function name. These two you can't interchange. So compulsory it should be void main only, not main void. Sir, everyone got this point? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
If we are trying to compile, what will happen? Sir, we are going to get some error messages. We are going to get some error messages. Sir, what is the conclusion here? So we can't, okay, we can't interchange. We can't interchange void and main. We can't interchange this void and main. I hope the reason is also very clear for you. Sir, any questions?
No, sir.
No.
Clear, everyone? Now, next note, I have a question. Sir, I'm not taking main method. Is it valid? Please confirm.
No.
No. Why? Because we know very clear clarity that program execution always starts from where?
Main method.
Main. But there is no main, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Now see what will happen. We have to get error, correct?
Yes.
When you are running the program, sir, is it running or not?
Learning.
Yes. So there is no mistake in the program, sir. Without main method, how you can write the program? What compilation process? I'm giving the exact definition of compilation process. What is the exact meaning of compilation process is, sir, compilation process is checking only rules and regulations. Whatever program you have written, is it perfectly following the Java rules and regulations or not? It is checking. Sir, is it following rules and regulations? Yes. Syntactically, it is correct. But during execution, if you are trying to execute, what will happen? Have you observed? We got some error. What is that error? Sir, main method not found in your class test. In your test class, there is no main method. Can you please define the main method in this format? Okay, like that it is giving a clear indication. Main method is not found in your class test. Can you please define the main method in this format? Like that it is raising the error message. Okay, sir, now what is the conclusion here is, without main method, without main method we can write, these are the small questions you may get in the interview. Without main method we can write Java program. So it compiles fine, there is no problem. But during execution, during execution of the program, what will happen? JVM means Java virtual machine, we will talk about that later. So JVM always search for which method? Main method. Sir, since it is not existed in Java program, it is not existed in Java program, it throws runtime error. What error message it is going to throw? Sir, runtime error message saying main method not found, something like that we are going to get. So it is a valid program, sir. It is a valid program. There is no doubt in that. It will compile fine, but during execution it is searching for main method, but main method is not there. That's why we are going to get the error during runtime. Sir, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
everyone please confirm. Clear? So now, next conclusion, listen carefully. What is the next notice? Sir, I am taking main method, but instead of string arguments, I am taking integer argument. Can I take like this?
Yes.
Yes, we can take. What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program?
Some null value or 0.
Null value or 0? Any other? One second. Right. Now you can see, just I am trying to compile the code. Just I am trying to compile the code. The code is going to compile fine. No, sir, 1 second. There is some mistake, right? First we have to take void and then main. Sorry. The code compiles fine. But during execution, what will happen? Sir, it is telling main method is not found in the test class. Array, main method is there, but my main method should be in which format? Public static void main, sir, string array arguments. In this format, it should be there. Sir, but it is in integer format. That's why, so it is okay. But Java will always search for which main method? String arguments main method. This is nothing but one more conclusion. Let me add the documentation. We can change. We can change the type of arguments. We can change the type of arguments in main method. So, but, so during execution, what will happen? So it always search for which array main method? String array main method. It always search for which main method? String array main method. Any questions, friends, up to this?
No, sir.
Sir, other students, only one person is responding. Please confirm. Clear up to this? Yes, Bhavya, Nishant, Supriya, you people are there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If any difficulty, please let me know so that I can able to explain in a different methodology. Sir, one more Java style I want to introduce. Tell me, I'm taking one integer argument main method and one string argument main method. This is so hello world and this is hello India. Tell me, sir, first of all, is it valid or invalid? Guess.
Say invalid because only one main method should be there.
Yes, very good. That is the reason why I have taken this example. In Java, it is object-oriented programming, sir. Okay, what type of programming language it is? Object-oriented. So object-oriented, I can say it is nothing but whoops. In whoops concept, there is one small term is there with name overloading. Sir, overloading means what? We can define any number of methods with the same name by changing the arguments. Again, I'm repeating, we can define same method again and again by changing the arguments. Sir, here main method with integer argument. Here main method with string argument. Okay, no problem. It is a overloading concept. Okay, it is overloading concept. My Java is going to allow. During execution, what will happen? Which main method will execute, right, sir? First one or second one? I think this answer you know. First one or second one? Remaining people, except Nagendra, remaining people, can you please guess? First main method or second main method? Tell me, Nagendra.
Second one.
Second one, because I have given very clearly right in the previous example. My JVM will always search for which main method?
String.
String
Word main
argument
string.
main method. That's why this one will never get a chance. This one is going to get the chance. Now let us see. Sir, is it printing hello India or not? Yes. This is one more conclusion what we have. Okay. So I think no need to take as a note. Let me take it as another example, or let me take note. Let me add. So we can define multiple, okay, multiple main methods in Java. We can define multiple main methods in Java. So during execution, JVM will search only for which main method? JVM will search for main method, so which takes so string array, okay, which takes so string array arguments. So clear, is the
If
concept is clear?
yes, sir. But if both two strings are there, I mean,
That
void
that
main string.
that execute also I will explain. Okay, so now another example, because you asked this question, I'm going to take here so string array arguments. What will happen? These two
Oh,
are same, correct?
yeah.
What Java is going to tell is it won't go up to runtime. In the compilation time itself, it is going to tell you already defined something. Again, why you are defining? Correct? Because in programming, if I am taking int x is equal to 10, in the next line, if I am writing int x is equal to 20, meaningless, right? Already
Hmm.
you defined this value. Again, why you are defining? Got it?
Yes.
So what will happen? It won't compile. You can see the compilation error. What it is telling? There is a error. So method main string array is already defined in the test class. Again, why you are defining? Got it, sir?
Yes. But the output is different according to the you said some overloading concept.
Overloading concept is applicable if you have
Uh,
same method name. What is the method name here? Main.
Main.
Here also main should be there. There must be change in the arguments here. It should be change.
Okay. Okay.
So here we are taking both, right? So
Yeah.
it is not allowed. You can change this one. You can write like so integer array arguments. Okay, or you can take a character array arguments. All these it will entertain. But if you take same, it is not allowed.
Okay.
If you take different, this concept is called as what? Overloading. In
Overloading.
object-oriented programming, minimum 30 minutes we are going to spend on this topic. There you will get clarity. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sir, everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? That's all. So this is nothing but just we have language related fundamentals concept. So next, actually in our syllabus, we have seen introduction, softwares required to run Java application, steps to prepare. Okay. And even I covered data types. For other batch, I covered these concepts. What are those concepts? Like we discussed about naming conventions, so keywords, identifiers, comments, and even literals I covered, and typecasting I covered. These things I covered. So these topics I'm going to cover for you people by taking some extra session. By taking some extra session, I will cover. So these extra session, when I'm going to take, I will inform you on Monday class. From Monday, we will have our regular classes. So what is the timings of Monday session?
7 p.m.
7 p.m. The regular class timings are from 7 p.m. So Monday, completely, I'm going to discuss about installation of Java software. And in Java new version, there are some enhancements. Like without class also, we can write the Java program. Like still more, some more concepts like JVM means what, JDK means what. About that, I want to introduce some concepts. Okay, that we will see. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
So can you please confirm how many people are willing to continue in this batch? If you give names, our team will follow up. And the student who joined today only. So for them, I am sharing some videos. Just you can go through that. If you are willing, then you can join. Otherwise, it is your choice. Just I am sharing this YouTube link, madam, in the chat window. Just go through that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.